हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल विदेशी तड़का। आज की वीडियो थोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द नॉर्मल वीकली ग्रोसरी फॉर एन इंडियन फैमिली हियर इन कैनेडा, रादर इंडियन vegetarian family. So I'll show you the stuff we got for this week and why I'm making this video because something interesting happened to me last week. While I was doing my grocery shopping, there was a new immigrant couple, perhaps from India only, and they were confused which wheat, flour or atta they should buy because there was a huge bunch of varieties. So they asked me and I advised them to get a particular brand of atta which is more or less similar to what we used to have in India. So I thought why not to share the common stuff that we get on a weekly basis here in Canada. And yes, I'll give you the prices also. So stay tuned for all the stuff for this week and I'm sure you're gonna like it. So before I start showing you the products for this week, let me give you two tips. One is I have seen many new immigrants, including myself, bringing a lot of stuff from India, like your spices, your tea and other stuff, just thinking that they might not be available in Canada or they might be costly as compared to India. But the reality, guys, is very, very different because in all the Indian grocery stores, you will get a bunch of varieties of all the spices, be it MDH, Badshah, Shan, even from other countries like Sri Lanka and Pakistan. So first of all, there is almost everything, and in fact more than what we used to get in India. Like I have seen some paratha masalas. I mean, what I'm trying to say is don't bring a lot of stuff from India while you are coming to Canada on migration, because use that space for other important things. That's one. And secondly, they are not at all costly if you compare the price to India, and they are more or less similar to what we used to get in India. So don't bring all that stuff from India because it is available in abundance here in Canada. And the second tip is, like we all are going through this pandemic, COVID-19. So what we are doing from last 6 to 7 months, so this is a rubbing alcohol. So what we use, we just dilute this alcohol and we just wipe all the stuff which we are getting from the grocery stores, and just to sanitize these things. We can take all these small precautions to safeguard ourselves. So it's a tip. This is available over the counter. If you are also getting your stuff from outside, please wipe all your items before you place in the fridge or whatever. So these are the two tips, and now it's time to show you the products one by one. Okay, I'll start with the dairy products. So this is the milk we get. This is 3.25% of fat, and this is a full cream available here. I know in India we used to get 6% fat, I guess, from Amul, but this is the one available as a full fat milk, and it is a very good one. This is the paneer, and guys, there are a lot of varieties of paneer you will get here, but by far I like this one. I mean, I'm not promoting any particular brand, but just telling you basis my experience, because for vegetarians paneer is very, very important. And this is the yogurt or dahi, and this is a very, very gada dahi, and you get other varieties also, but again, by far I have tasted almost every dahi, but this is the one which I did like the most. So if I talk about breads, guys, you are going to get endless varieties of breads and bakery here in Canada. And this is the one we stick to every week because this is a very, very basic whole wheat bread. It's good, normal, nothing fancy. This one is very, very good item which is available on the Walmart fresh bakery section. These are the pizza buns. Now this is, you can say, the plain pizzas you can eat as is, just you have to grill them or microwave them, or you can add some toppings, and it is a very, very good thing to have in breakfast or dinner. So this is a very good item you can get. And this is butter and cheese, like the whole breakfast items. Now this is refined oil. We use the canola oil. This is okay. I mean, I'm not a very big fan of refined oils, but sometimes you need something deep fried, so this is the one we use. And this is the sarson ka tel. This is a very good brand. I generally prefer the one which is available or made in Canada because this is a bit cheaper if you compare to the other varieties like Patanjali and all other varieties you get from India, that is imported ones. But this is very, very good, basic and good ones. Okay, so now it's time for the fresh produce. So these are apples, both red and golden, strawberries, yellow potatoes, onions. So sometimes we get red onions and sometimes white. This is just randomly. Carrots, the orange ones, not red like we get in India. Tomatoes and mini cucumbers. This is a very good thing to have in salads. Nice. And this one is my favorite, the ice cream bars from Chapman. Very good quality and good taste. This is the wheat flour or atta we generally use. This is a very, very good one. We also had one more brand which is called Sher Atta. That is also good, but I just tried this one as well, and this is pretty good. No maida, 100% natural, and it's a good one. This is my all-time favorite section. all my Haldiram bhujiyas, khatta meetha, pickle, some ready to eat food, parle ji, some spices. So this is my favorite section and I make sure this is always there in my pantry. So this is the sarson ka saag ready to eat. तो गाइस आज की वीडियो को यहीं खत्म करते हैं. आई होप दिस वाज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू गाइस, स्पेशली द न्यू इमिग्रेंट्स. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मिस योर होम कंट्री एज फार एज फूड इज कंसर्न, बिकॉज कनाडा में यार देयर इज प्लेस फॉर एवरीवन, बी इट इंडियंस, श्रीलंकन्स, पाकिस्तानीज, आई मीन एवरीवन. द फूड इज अवेलेबल इन abundance, the variety is in abundance. And yes, if you do like this video, please hit the bell icon button, subscribe to Videshi Tadka. That motivates me a lot to make more such videos. And yeah, that's it. Be safe from Corona, guys. I'll see you in my next vlog very soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.